guys, Melissa here from ChaCha&Chicky Canada.
Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own set of DIY macrame earrings.
But before we get started, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to support our Canadian family-owned business. If you aren't already, give us a follow on Instagram to stay up to date with all of our contests and giveaways. And everything that you need to get started you can find right here at our website at ChaCha&Chicky.com, and we ship within Canada in 1 to 3 business days. Thank you so much for supporting our Canadian family-owned business. Let's get started.
Alright guys, these are our DIY deluxe macrame boxes. You can get them from our website at ChaCha&Chicky.com. They come with everything that you need to get started, as well as 13 of the most trending macrame accessories to make some of the most popular macrame pieces out there today. Learn, create, inspire is our slogan, and we want you to feel like you've walked away having learned something, created something, and been inspired by what you've done. So first we're going to grab our wooden macrame earrings, and today we're going to be doing the half circle. So to get started on this project, you're going to need your wooden earrings, and then some scissors from home and some tape if you need it. The macrame cord, which is included in your kit. So we're going to cut our macrame 6 inches long, and we're going to need 8 pieces. Your macrame cord is 4 strand 3mm 100% cotton, so it's comprised of 4 smaller strands twisted together to make one larger cord. So today we're going to be separating each strand into 2 equal parts. After we've cut our 8 pieces, we're going to take your cord and start twisting it in the opposite direction so that the cords can be easily separated. Once separated, you'll be left with 2 individual strands. Again, we're just going to reverse the cord in the opposite direction and pull the cord into 2 separate cords. If you need to, just simply smooth out the edges and lay them flat on the table. Don't worry if they begin to separate, because we'll be brushing out these individual strands later on. We're separating these cords just to give your earrings a little bit more of a dainty look. Once all 8 cords are separated, you'll be left with 16 individual cords. So your 8 cords have now turned into 16 smaller ones, and you'll be using 8 smaller cords for each one of your earrings. Feel free to tape your earring down if that's easier for you to work with. I like to hold mine in my hand. So before you get started on knotting, make sure you know which side of your earring is the front and which is the back. We're going to be working with the back of the earring facing us for this entire project. We're going to start with doing a lark's head knot. So take the cord and put it through the front of your earring towards the back. As you can see, this is the back of your earring, and this is the front. So once again, we're going to be taking each strand of cord and folding it in half until the ends meet. Then making a loop at the top and a lark's head knot around the earring, going in from the front, over the earring, and pulling the 2 legs through the loop and out the back. Again, this is the back side of the earring that you're looking at right now. And with the remaining 6 strands, we're going to be doing 6 more lark's head knots, making sure the end of the cords are lined up, making your loop, inserting them through the slot, over top of the two legs, and pulling the legs through the loop. Make sure not to pull too hard. Now we're on to our last one. Again, loop over the earring, pulling the legs through the loop, and tightening it just a little bit. Awesome! All 8 of our lark's head knots are done. So this is the back of our earring that we've been looking at this whole time. And when we flip it around, this will be the front. As you can see, the little hitches on the front just gives it a cleaner look. So now we're going to trim up the edges just to make them all even before we brush out your earrings. This look is actually pretty cute too, so if you like it as it is, you can be finished at this point. But I'm going to continue on and brush out my earrings so that I can complete a fringe look. So I've brushed out all the knots on my earrings here, and as you can see, they're still a little bit wavy. I'm going to make them really straight, so I'm going to dip them in a little bit of water just to remove that little bit of crimp. Careful not to get your earrings in the water. And then we're going to brush out the knots again. And once all your knots are brushed out, you can better determine the length of the earring that you would like. You can either leave it at this length, cut it diagonal if you want, or trim it up to give it a short, cute fringe look, like the other earring that I have in the background there. So make sure you cut them even. These aren't quite even, so I'm going to trim it up again. But as you can see, the earring on my left is dry and ready to go and looks super cute. So here's another trim. And there you have it. The lark's head knot, super cute, super easy DIY macrame earrings. Thanks so much for joining in with me today, you guys. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel as we drop new DIY videos every week.